Welcome back, guys. I am in the middle of the forest. It's hot as hell. Join me on this walk so we can all prepare mentally for the upcoming work week. We got this. We got this, kings and queens. Let's go. Guys, this quick update. I just heard a tree knock, and I swear to God, there may be a Bigfoot in here. So I'm gonna my Bigfoot call and see if I can find it. I think it's just goddamn birds. Look, a mushroom. I hope you guys enjoyed the walk, and I can't wait to take you on the next one. Have a great week.